Business is war, and war is business. In war, we may lose our lives, but in business, we lose something that is more important. We lose our pride. We lose character. It is a living death when there is no business. And therefore, organization must take on the principle of Sun Tzu. Business is war, and war, indeed, is business. Strategic marketing must be considered. It must be weighed from every angle in order that when implemented and executed, the strategies and tactics will procure their sales, will break through barriers and beat the onslaught of competition. Organizations will have to review their strategies and tactics in order to strike that balance, in order to be able to have that winning edge in procuring ever-increasing business. This program will empower participants to review their strategies and consider the principles of Sun Tzu. The manifestation of Sun Tzu will make that difference for people to understand the very importance of not just surviving but to thrive in the marketplace in order to procure the lion's share of the market. This is a program for serious organization to improve and increase the rate of survival in the 21st century.